So first, I'm just going to section the hair into two different portions, the front and the back portion. So before starting the hair or the hairstyle, she requested that I kind of do like a box braid at the back of the hair so that it will kind of reduce the tension, the cornrows that I'm going to make from the front to the back. It will reduce the cornrows tension. Back again to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. How are you doing today? So yeah, for today's video, this hairstyle actually, it can also be worn by children like kids and also by adults. So I will advise you to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any single step, and also the process of attaching the beads and also styling the front hair and doing all of that good stuff. So yeah, just stay tuned to watch the process of making this hairstyle. I'm so sure you'll be able to learn one or two things from this video. Subscribe if you have. So I did about like 5 to 6 box braid at the back, and this is what it looks like. So moving on to the front, I don't know if I'm the only one that do this, especially if it's a jumbo cornrow or box braid. So I like to kind of section the hairs into portions first, just so that I can get like equal sizes of the cornrows or box braids before I properly start to cornrow or box braid. So it gives me like equal cornrow sizes, so that's why I like to do this more. So I just section all the hair first. After sectioning it, I just put them in a cornrow, like a loose cornrow, and after that we'll start from maybe the left or the right and just start cornrolling. And yeah, at the end of the day I get like equal sizes of all the cornrows. So that's what I do majorly, especially like I told you, when I have or when it's a jumbo box braid or a cornrow. So for this, it's a feeding cornrow, so I'm just going to continue feeding in until I get the desired size. Then we'll go ahead to just box braid the remaining tip of the hair. So this hairstyle actually looks simple, but it's not all that simple. She also requested that I leave out the edges of her hair just because she's trying to grow back her edges due to the fact that she lost them. So yeah, they actually pulled off. So she just, anytime I make her hair, so I think from she started this from January, and the edges I can see like improvement around the edges. So I don't touch her edges at all whenever I'm making her hair. Okay, I just want to gist with you guys about this by precious loyal client. She's just so amazing. I got to know her, or she got to know about us through a friend of hers that referred her to us. That one too is also a loyal client. Like, oh, I can't even tell you guys how many customers that one or that lady have given to us, that client, how many clients or customers she has given to us or she has recommended to us, like lots. And even her too, she also recommends us to her friends, like back to back clients. So I am so grateful that for that. I'm really really grateful. She's just so amazing. So if you are watching this, you know yourself, if you are watching this video, so I'm just using this video to tell you thank you for all the good things you've done and all the recommendations, and how calm, how how calm and put together you sit on the chair for us to glam you up and also make your hair. Like, we are so grateful, not just you and your referrer. So yeah, another thing is that anytime this my client tells me that she wants to make her hair, I always make sure that I pick up my camera, because she's always coming up with one style or the other. You guys will get to see that her videos, or you get to see her face here on my channel, because I have done so many hairstyles. Even sometimes when I kind of forget my camera to film the process of making any hair or any of the hairs that she actually comes to make, I feel so bad because she's always coming up with different styles. So not just her, she and her referrer, they're always coming up with different good styles. So that's why I love to film their hairstyles, and that's why you guys have been seeing them often here on my channel. So thank you so much. I don't know if I should. Okay, thank you so much, Angelica. Thank you. I'm so grateful, Doctor. Thank you. Thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you so much for being a loyal client. I think I should give you guys an award this year for always coming back and referring your friends and your family members to us. Thank you so much. I am grateful. We are exquisite signature. We are all grateful. So back to the hairstyle. For the stitch braids, you guys, I don't know how many of us are still doing this style of stitch braids. So because me, it has refused to leave my hands. Every time I pick up any hair, like I want to do this type of stitch braid, it for me, I feel like it's faster and it gets the job done. Like it comes out looking, like the real stitch braid. So that's why I keep going back to it and I keep doing this. I don't know if I'm the only one that is in this shoe. So if you also like to do this, if you feel like this particular type of stitch braid is faster, you can also let me know in the comment section below so that I know that I'm not the only one that do this method a lot. This is faster for me. So yeah. And for the hairstyle, it took us about 2.5 hours or 3 hours to make, and she used lush extension in color black, and we also went on to like cut the extension into like 3 portions or 3 lengthy or 3 lengths, and then faded it out to just make it have like tips so that when we braid the hair it doesn't lose it after braiding the tip.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bound for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, though. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Say she had bad. Anytime I knock it out. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me I know they see another girl for my visuals. loving you, now in my ritual.
And after braiding, we went on to put to dip the hair into like hot water to reduce the weight of the hair. And this is how we are doing it. How do you guys put like dipping hair extensions into hot water? I see some people use like kettles to do so, but for us this is what we do. And I think that kettle option will be considered from next year.
When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already.
And yeah, after braiding and after putting in the hair into hot water, we went on to, attaching the beads. So she came with like two different colors of beads, the clear white color and also the green color. So we are using just one green color and two clear white colors on the beads, and this is how we're actually attaching the beads to the hair. So just continue to watch.
I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now you are your
Then after the attachment of the beads, to style the edges, and this is how I am doing this. You guys already know, if you're an OG, you already know that I love to use shine and jam edge control. It doesn't leave like a white cast, it doesn't leave any white residues. It's just so it just makes the work, or it makes it look so fine. But the only problem I have is that the shine and jam, after styling it like this, it doesn't last. Apparently it's not a gel, so yeah, it's okay if it doesn't last because it's not a gel. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like. Happy client, happy hairstylist. See the way she's just smiling. She love her hair. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the process of making this video. And are you going to try the hairstyle? Please let me know in the comment section as well. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Click the subscription button and join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share the video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.